The DJI Flip is a highly anti-safety drone. The new DJI Flip an ultra-lightweight compact drone with advanced camera, 32 minutes flight time, foldable build, and advanced features like 0-4 transmission and 3-axis gimbal. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. DJI Flip is offering in 3 different prices: 460, 676 and 830 US dollars. The DJI Flip weight is 249 grams with the standard battery and micro SD. The DJI Flip will be pretty portable while retaining advanced features. Its foldable design should make it highly compact, measuring only 136 by 62 by 165 mm when folded, and expanding to 233 by 280 by 79 mm when in use. The DJI Flip is powered by a 300-110 mAh battery, providing up to 31 minutes of flight time. The drone can handle challenging conditions with wind resistance. It also supports features like a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for stabilization and an advanced sensor system, including front-facing 3D sensors. The drone will feature an integrated 48 camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, 4K video recording at 60 fps. Additionally, DJI has focused on a user experience. The DJI has focused on user experience with an 0-4 video transmission system that delivers up to 30 km of range in ideal conditions, including fast charging at 65 watts via an optional charging hub. The Flip also seems to come with tailored modes for aerial photography, creative social media content. These features combined with tough materials and GPS support. That's all for now and thanks for watching.